What's going on, Summer Love and Family? It's JP here, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing the Daystar Switch Panel that goes down by your center console. And the reason why I'm doing that is not so much to mount extra switches, but Black Friday I scored a pretty sweet deal on a pedal commander. So everybody knows about the lag when you press the pedal on Jeeps, and Jordana has noticed it a lot and she complains about it, and she says it doesn't have the same pickup that her Subaru does. So with that being said, decided to snag a pedal commander and see if it makes a bit of a difference. So I'm going to use this Daystar switch panel down by the center console to mount the pedal commander. So today's video is just going to be mounting of the switch panel, and then I'm going to do another video on the pedal commander, the installation, and then testing it out and see how it responds and any improvements to the Jeep. So that's going to be a separate video. So before we get to installing this item, I just want to apologize for all the sirens that are going on in the background. Apparently it's Fire Department Santa Day, and they're driving up and down the neighborhood. And being that a snowstorm and a rainstorm is coming tomorrow and Tuesday, this is the only opportunity I have to film this. So I apologize in advance. I hope it doesn't piss you off. Please don't leave any negative comments, but leave me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you can see other videos. And I guess the other item is the what's going on with the Metal Cloak steering kit. Thank you for asking. So, I haven't had time to do it. And the issue is we're down to one vehicle now because of the RV. So, I need to do it on a day where we're not going to need the Jeep, whether myself or Jordana, just in case anything happens, then we have no car. So, I'm shooting for Wednesday. I don't have to go into work until 10 o'clock on Wednesday night, so that gives me a lot of time to do it during the daytime. So I should have enough time. So look for that video at the end of this coming week. Other than that, got a couple other things in the works, and we'll be doing some RV stuff as well. And that's about it. So Christmas is 10 days away, so I hope everybody's getting ready. And let's get to installing this. This should be pretty simple. It should be a couple of minutes. I don't think we really have to do much. And if you have any questions on the install and what I did, just leave a comment below. I'll answer it as best I can. What else do I got going on? What else is going on? Nah, I think that's about it. Alright, and it's getting cold again, so the weather is really making it hard to be able to come outside and work on the Jeep. But alright, let's get to installing, and I'll meet you inside the Jeep. Alright, what's up everybody? So, in your box, basically all you get is this guy right here, some instructions, little decals, nice, that's about it. Alright, so here's the pedal commander. Basically my thought is just to install it like this. I can run the cable, I'm going to drill a hole through here, and then run the pedal commander behind here to the gas pedal. So it's going to basically sit right here. This piece goes right here, so we have to pop out this section right here, and in order to do that we have to move our shift knob and our four-wheel drive, and make sure you have your parking brake on. Alright, so let's do that now. So I'm in neutral, and I'm just going to slide the four-wheel drive back, so that gives us some space. So this should just pop out like so, and it gives you some room like that. So you don't really need to pull this off. You could, by removing the knobs, you can remove both knobs, and then this would just pull right off, but I don't think we need to do that. So now we just got to pry this out from here. So I got some pry tools. So the most important thing is you need to save these orange clips on the back of this, because that's going to go on the back of these two up here when you put this back in. Alright, so we're going to pop 2 of those off. Like I said, this is pretty simple. We should probably be done in like another few minutes. Just be real careful with these guys. So we got 1, and actually the good thing is you only need 2, and there's 4, so in case you do mess up, you got a couple of spares. So I'm just going to pop these back on, like so, and the same orientation. So it's got these black markings on the top, and then I did exactly the same thing. I put the black markings on the top. So now we're going to use these little like tabs to go into the slots down here. There's 2 slots right here down in the corners. We're going to slide that in and then press this in. So once again, just lift up your center console a little bit, slide this in, line up those tabs, get those tabs seated there, and now press. Alright, so take 2. After looking at it, these tabs here, once you get them lined up, give the switch panel a little extra push down, and then that will seat them further in, like that, and that lines it up. And there we are. Push in your orange tabs. That's that. Push down your center console. Push my brake. Slide that. Let's push our 4-wheel drive back. And there we go. That's it. Alright, so that was a really quick, easy install. Just again, I'm going to be putting the pedal commander right here, running the wire through the switch. Just going to drill a hole here. It's going to run behind and come out back here and go right to my gas pedal. So basically that's where it's going to be. So that way if I want to make any quick adjustments, I can do it with my fingers here while driving. This is the Bluetooth model also, so I could do it from my phone up there, but depending on what I'm running on my phone, without having to switch to the app, you can just quickly hit all the choices. So alright. Let's go to the hood, do a quick recap, and then I'll see you on the next video where we do the install and test of the pedal commander. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope it gave you a couple of tips. I give this about a 1 out of 7 on the Jeep slot difficulty meter. And so this is basically the back piece of the panel that you have in your Jeep. So these were the tabs, in case you didn't see it before. So I used the 2 outer ones. And also I just used a simple pry tool to pry it out, and that was it. So that's all you need. Alright, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell to get some notifications. The next video inside the Jeep will be installing the pedal commander and running the wiring and doing the testing of it. I still got the metal cloak kit, which I mentioned before, and then I got something else for the rear coil springs for metal cloak. It's basically a angle adjuster, and I'll go over that. I don't know if anybody's ever put them on their Jeep, but when I make that video, I'll show you why I got these. Basically, the springs, when you lift the Jeep you basically change the angle of your rear axle, and then that kind of changes the way your springs are hitting on your axle. So these are like kind of correction pieces to help bring the spring back into a more straighter line with the Jeep. So it should improve the rear end. So that's all I got going on. Yeah. All right, have a great weekend. See you on the next one.